Is it better to do meditation or yoga first? Today, we'll answer that and why it's a bad question. By the end of this video, you'll know how to supercharge both your yoga and meditation practice by one simple change in perspective. Before we get started, if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. If you want to receive notifications, ring that bell icon. So, which should you practice first, meditation or yoga? Pause the video here and let me know what you think in the comments below. Well, if you're doing meditation and yoga as separate practices, my advice would be to start with half a minute of meditation, followed by your yoga practice, followed by your actual meditation practice. And I know you're starting to see where I'm going with this, back to the but you should not separate your yoga and meditation practice. In fact, meditation is a type of yoga according to the traditional definition of yoga. Those who've seen my other videos know that I'm a proponent of focusing on skills rather than time served when it comes to meditation. So how do we fix your question to be more helpful? Instead of asking which to practice first, I suggest that the real question should be, what is the most effective way of practicing both? No, I'm not going to leave you hanging here. There's no yoga meditation ebook for sale, just hold on. Here's how you properly combine the two practices. First, at the beginning of your yoga practice, start by entering a meditative state. If you don't know how to do that, you can simply relax every muscle in your body, and you'll get close enough with just that. Then, do your yoga in that meditative state. If you find yourself coming out of the meditative state, relax more and you'll be fine. Then, when you reach the end of your yoga practice, simply stand still with your feet together, arms down at your sides and eyes closed, with your mouth gently open, for about 5 more minutes of this same meditative state. You will see your results multiply with this simple change. If you want to know more about entering a meditative state, you can find a video on that here. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. If you want to receive notifications, ring the bell icon. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, that's cool too. Give us a thumbs down. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. The most liked questions will be answered in future videos. Thanks for watching.